Adhiambo noloso kod anyuola mar rawera manowito ngimane odiochieng' manyoro e kaunti ma Kisumu. Kata kamano adwano adhi achiel kachiel kama jatend duond bura mar Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka loso gi sani mar mondo me owinjane ni to loso kotudore kod ang'ata. Ng'eni gima duong' ma odiochieng' ma kawuono jotelo lose en kotudore kod obila tiyo kod teko mathoth kuom jopiny odiochieng' manyoro. We wawinjane.
And if there's some blood donation required, these members of parliament and other Kenyans who wishes, because we gather these atrocities are continuing and therefore the need to donate blood. If there's anything further, maybe my colleagues may want to add one or two things. So the whole thing really depends on William Ruto. Let him climb down and do the necessary thing. Everybody, including the UN Secretary General, everybody is calling for dialogue. And this is a very small window. We want also to ask the army, who have now in a very quick manner been brought into the picture, to know that their responsibility is to actually guard our borders. We do not expect the police and the Bugay who have been killing Kenyans, that the army would want to fall into that trap. Therefore, we ask that they exercise absolute restraint, and so that Kenyans can at least get their country back. Anything? Thank you. If there's any question, you want to say something?